Okay, so I have a little topic today: how people think about what they think about massage, and what's the for people massage therapy is in California. So we got so much abusers. What's those sexual services people? They always call themselves massage therapists, and it's been so bad up here. All those spas around and do some crazy stuff. What's happening? It's it's disaster. And what I'm trying to do here, I'm also do this SEO class for people to not make this mistake. Because if you guys put yourself as a massage Los Angeles, you can see this, the keywords I put it in that tool. I'm talking about this in my class. If you guys wants to learn about this more, go to my Patreon. But the thing is, you see, it's 10,000 people, 11,000 people who watch for this keywords. It's $3.64 per click. And this is the free tool I'm using right now. And look what's the people searching. So just imagine they're going to start clicking, and your budget is going to go away. But what's they always ask? Massage Asian ASMR massage, which is sexual, erotic massage. Okay, shiatsu massage anywhere. It's very kind of Armenian massage. I don't know. What else? Shopping, gay massage, naughty massage, and all that stuff. So you see what people truly think about massage therapy, and they just gonna burn your budget. The people who's looking for sexual stuff gonna burn your budget. If you in Los Angeles in this area, trust me, you're gonna burn your budget down. And that's what most people call me, like say, hey, I spent so much money on advertising, but it's no result. And some weird people call. That's why, because you can see it. You can see what they ask. This is what's that people ask the questions is, look, does full massage include private areas? What massage therapist massage growing? Or it's just like, it's so weird questions. But what you can do, you can find out the list, which is like, nice and regular people ask the questions, like I don't know about the tips. You can see it's probably good. You don't want to get that chip. What's a good tip? $60 massage. I want my client $60 massage. Yes, I want a $60 client massage. That's what I'm gonna write this article or put this on my website, put this on the social media, so people, when people ask these questions, they will find that answer, and of course link to my website. Also, you see growing area. I don't want this. Who all these people? Jesus. And we get those calls in the past. You see private. Yeah, so this is, and you can see this, all these questions. So let's say, mobile massage service available in Los Angeles. Yeah, you can write about this, and it's gonna be good for you. But look at that. It's just and don't focus on this affordable. Also, this great for the keywords. Like I said, I'm teaching this in my class in my Patreon, how to find out the keywords is work for your business, and how to get that your website is on the first page faster than other ones, and not try to focus on massage Los Angeles. Like I said, burning all your budget and don't get this result. But I will teach you how to find out those keywords, which is work, and we can just jump in on the first page. So watch our class in Patreon and look at that. It's just so sad when people like think about massage as all sexual. Why would just legalize all this? The sex industry, and people just call themselves who they are, and not take our professional and not take it down, face down. Because I truly worry about what's going on in here and how everything is turned up. Okay, so I hope this guys work for you. Watch our class, and we'll teach you how to do your SEO and marketing. Have a good day.